Hi, my lovelies. You're welcome back to my channel. My loves, I know that you guys have missed my face. I'm revealing my face today, and let me put it out there. My loves, do you want me to involve to include daily vlogs, a week in my life, a day in my life vlogs, or do you guys prefer it just normal cooking? Just tell me. Do you guys, because I'm camera shy, to be honest, I'm camera shy, but I don't know. But with time I will get used to it, because it's because I'm camera shy. That's why I started with hiding my face in the cooking and all of that. So this is the face behind the must cook. So guys, write in the comments, should I include daily vlog, a day in my life, a week in my life, normal vlogging, family vlogging? Should I include it, or are you guys okay with the cooking content and all of that? Let me know in the comments. So as we all know from the title, you already know, but wait, let me introduce myself for my new loves that recently joined our YouTube channel. I'm so happy, guys. My name is Chidema, but you can call me Mma. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Enugu. Yeah. So I'm a wife, a mom, a nurse, and all of that. Like, guys, I'm so shy. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing Tara. I'm so excited, guys. I know that some people will be watching this video now and be like, in 2026, you're unboxing iPhone 14 Pro Max. Why your mates are unboxing iPhone 17 Pro Max, 16, 17 Pro Max, and you're making noise with iPhone 14 Pro Max. I know, and I have to brag. When you hustle hard, when you work hard to make your money, to purchase an item that you have been dreaming of over the years, girl, even though it's not a show off, but for me to be unboxing iPhone 14 Pro Max in 2026, I know we still have a long way to go. But before then, let me celebrate the one I can afford for now. Yes. The phone I'm using to record this video is SS Max. I started using that phone 2 years ago. Yeah. And when I started using the phone, I've not started creating content. In fact, I don't even know that I might start creating content. And you know iPhones, once you started, so I started creating content 5 months ago. Immediately, 3 months along the line, I started running out of space. That is why that space is the main thing. And iPhone, once you run out of space, the phone automatically becomes useless to you. So before that, I've been dreaming of unboxing my phone. So let's start unboxing.